So this is Leon Kennedy. Correct. And he's the main character of Resident Evil. Also correct, but he's only one of them. What? Resident Evil has a big connecting story that follows many characters, not just Leon Kennedy. Explain. Well, there's Claire Renfield, who's the other protagonist of Resident Evil 2, the one in the red jacket. Exactly. And then there's her brother Chris Renfield, and which game is he introduced in? The first Resident Evil, along with the other member of the Big Four, Jill Valentine. So these are the main characters of the Resident Evil games. Well, yes, but actually no. What? So they're known as the Big Four because it's agreed that they are the four main protagonists of the Resident Evil franchise, but there are other games that have other main characters that don't follow one of them. So some games follow other characters, but most games follow them. Pretty much. For example, Resident Evil 7 and 8 both have a different main character named Ethan Winters. If he's the main character of two games, why isn't he a part of the Big Four? Because unlike the other main characters, Ethan died and stayed dead. But there's a ton of fake out deaths in the series. And who's gonna be the protagonist of the next game? That is an excellent question, and I have no idea. What? Yeah, after Resident Evil 6, they changed the trajectory of the series with Resident Evil 7 and 8, but since the remakes have been doing so well, they might just change it back for Resident Evil 9. Okay, and what was the big change? They switched from viruses being the main problem to mold. What the fuck?